Hi, my name is Brandy Hansen. I'm a store manager for Cellcom. Today we're going to discuss Samsung's SmartThings Home Monitoring Kit, which includes the SmartThings Hub, the outlet, the motion sensor, and 2 multi-purpose sensors. This is your Samsung SmartThings Hub. It acts as the brain in your smart home, and it's included in your home monitoring kit. This is the motion sensor. It notifies you when there's been unexpected motion in your home. It's an entry-level security device that allows you to keep an eye on your home when you're not there. It can also be used to notify you when you are expecting someone, such as your children coming home from school. It also detects temperature drops. Say your furnace goes out, it will alert you that there's a problem at home. This is the multi-purpose sensor, and 2 are included in the home monitoring kit. You can use them on cabinets, doors, and windows. Get notified if a window or a door opens unexpectedly. It can be used on a medicine cabinet to alert you if it's been opened. It will alert you if the garage door is open. Or if it looks like it's going to rain, you will be able to check on your phone if your windows are open. This is the Smart Outlet. It allows you to control whatever's plugged into it from your smartphone or tablet. Some popular uses are lighting. You can plug a lamp in here and control it from your phone. Program a slow cooker to turn on and off at a certain time. It can also be used to make sure things are turned off, such as your child's television or the curling iron. This can also communicate with the multi-purpose sensor and the motion sensor, so if a door opens, a light turns on. The Samsung SmartThings Home Monitoring Kit is a great way to get started with home automation piece by piece. What we discussed today is just the beginning of what you can do for home automation. For more information, you can visit us at cellcom.com or one of our stores to talk to our experts. Stay tuned for more on home automation with Cellcom.